The following video will show you how to navigate the gradebook in Portales, Portai, and SuperSite. To access your gradebook, click on the section's average or go to the Grades tab and click on Gradebook. You can view your gradebook by lesson or by week. In order to view your gradebook by week, click on Due Date and select the week you wish to view. You can drill further into the gradebook by selecting a specific due date or a gradebook category. To view by lesson, click on Lesson, select the lesson you wish to view, and you can drill further in by selecting the lesson strand or gradebook category. Let's go over the grades. A check mark is a point received for viewing a tutorial. The word pending means the due date has passed, yet the instructor has yet to grade a portion of the activity or the entire activity. A dash means the due date has passed, the student has not submitted the activity, and it will turn into zeros at the end of the course. A grade in italics means the due date has not passed, yet the student has submitted the activity. Once the due date has passed, the instructor can do several things to a grade. If you click on the grade, the instructor can change the earned score, can reset the student work, causing the grade to be erased, and the student will be able to resubmit the activity. Or the instructor can review the student work. Please note that from the review student work, the instructor will also be able to change the earned score. You can also click on the due date or name of the activity, and you will be able to accept the late work from here. You can quick grade 100% to all students, or you can grade the activity by doing a student by student, question by question, or by spot checking the activity. In the roster section of the gradebook, you will have a list of all your students with email address. From here, you can email all your students by using your email program. In order to accept late work for all students in a particular activity, click on the name of the activity and then click on Accept Late Work. You can also accept late work by going to the Late Work tab, where you will be able to accept late work for all assignments that are late in the course, or you can select all the late assignments for an individual within the class, or you can accept all the late assignments for one particular individual, or you can accept certain assignments for a specific student, or multiple late assignments for multiple students. Check the assignments you wish to accept, scroll down, and click on Accept. From the Reports tab, you can create a report using various filters. Click on Create a New Report. You can select a lesson range. You can start with the course start date or a specific date. You can select the categories, the report level, and you can show grades as percentage, points earned, points possible, activities completed, time spent, and activities assigned. The options are many. You can also control your roster by adding and dropping students. To add a student, click on the Add Students tab and type the student's name, email address, or username. To drop a student, click on Drop Students. Check the box to the left of the student you wish to drop and click on Drop. From the roster section, you can also give students grace periods by simply clicking on the Add Grace Period tab. For more instructions, please contact your representative. In order to modify your gradebook categories such as penalty fees, the number of attempts, or the strictness of your grading, you will have to change the course settings. Go to your course dashboard, click on the name of the course you wish to modify, click on the menu icon, click on Edit Course, go to the Gradebook tab, click on the Gradebook category you wish to modify, and here you will be able to change the number of attempts, the grading strictness, whether or not you would like to provide enhanced feedback for filling the blank activities. You can select the category to be for a grade or for credit, and you can drop the lowest grades. You can also change your late policy here. Once you make modifications, make sure to click on Done, scroll down, and save your changes. To return to your course schedule, click on the Portales or book cover of your program on the upper left-hand corner of the screen.